Don't know me. My name is Agnes Stowers, and now it's time for the main event. We're very privileged today to have the special top 16. These are a few members of the Papatoetoe High School Samoan group for 2023 who participated in the ASB Polyfest. Back in March, there are 50 students in the full group, but these are our top 16 performers. These students also take Samoan as an NCA subject towards their academic credits and university entrance requirements. The group is fairly new, only coming together this term, but have a very big passion for Samoan language. Sorry, page turn. The teacher in charge is my very good friend, Mr. Timo Morissa, who has been teaching at Papatoetoe High School since 2017 and has pushed the Samoan curriculum and program to new levels of achievement and success. They will now perform a range of traditional Samoan dances for us, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
And I'm the teacher in charge of Ngangana Samoa, or Samoan language at the school, and pretty much everything to do with Samoan at the school. Sports, Samoan activities, performing arts. Thank you so much, TVNZ, for having us today, and we really hope you enjoy what we have prepared. In the break of every item that we do, I'll explain a little bit of what they are doing, just so you have a bit of an idea of what's going on. So for this first item, this is the girls' traditional siva, or dance, which is called the Ma Ulu Ulu. And you will notice in this dance, in comparison to the boys' one later, the girls' actions are graceful. And if you think of a duck, the duck looks very calm on top of the water, but beneath the water, the legs are flapping away. And so there will be actions that you will see the girls do today that are very graceful, but yet in their minds, they are flapping away to make sure that they are done gracefully. And in comparison to the boys later, you'll see a massive difference in the way that the boys dance. So this is our girls' Siva Samoa. We hope you enjoy. Check. So, as you may have seen, the girls' dance is very graceful, and the part where the boys joined in at the end. In Samoan culture, the females, the sisters, the mums, the aunties, the grandmas are seen as the treasure of the family. And so when the boys jumped in at the end, they are supporting and standing behind the females. And you're blessed if you're a female in a Samoan family, because you are pretty much seen as treasure, royalty. So lucky you females. All right. Well, now then, let's go to our next item, please. The sa-sa is the traditional dance done sitting down on the ground. In the sa-sa, the actions are made or created from everyday movements or everyday life actions. Wesley and Paige in the front will now show an example of some of the actions you might see in this sa-sa. We have the scraping of the coconut or the popo, and you'll see this movement pop up, a big part of food preparation in Samoa. The traditional Samoan tattooing, where the males get tattooed from the stomach down all the way to their knees. That's the front, the back, the whole thing. And for females, from the upper thigh to the lower thigh. There's also a lot of slap, clap movements on the body. These movements were created because there are so many mozzies in Samoa. And so we slap our bodies to slap off the mozzies. And so we've modernized the sa-sa. The generation of today have modernized it in adding a bit more of their flair. But the foundation of the cultural movements and the sa-sa is still there, and it'll be very evident. We have a person called the whaaluma, and we have William, who's our whaaluma, and whaaluma translated means clown, pretty much. Their job is to entertain the audience, but also keep the dancers in beat and make sure they are smiling. And so he'll be doing all sorts of strange dance moves and things, so we hope you enjoy this one. clap or clap sounds or clap movements. And so you will hear when they clap, it should be loud, but also when they hit their bodies, it should also be very loud. So you can be the two people to measure whether they're slapping their bodies loud enough to make a clapping sound. So we give it to you. so those are some of our traditional dances, but we also like to fun dance, I would say. Not necessarily traditional, but we are just, like I know people my teacher at primary used to say to me, you can't sit still, you've got eggs in your face. And literally, we were such a musical family that we just grew up with music in our house. And so, all Samoans, you hear music, you just cannot sit still. And so, they're going to show you a bit of a fun dance. And at some point, they might come out to the audience and grab a few volunteers to do it. So, be ready. When they come out, and if they grab you, just make your way on up and just join in with whatever they're going to do. We hope you enjoy this last one. Go to your
Testing. Another round of applause, please, for Papatoetoe High School Samoan Group. Oh, so awesome to see the next generation of Samoans come through. But avea ia lo leo e whai whatau wa e whai masui o nei company ia TVNZ e momoli atu e leanga whawhtai. Mal wha malo atu, mo wha whiwhianga matango whio nei tai au. Whawhtai la whiwhio mai, matala mai o a au, o ma o lunga e nei polo kalame. Ia o se mea alofa lea, whatau waa, sosoani atu ai, a wal toi malanga atu le tu, il nai tu o Aukilang. Ia lofa le atua mapui pui atu I awala tele. Ia tau nuu tau malanga malemanuia if a wawenga luenga mawhai o le aso. As we say in Samoan, to anga le aonga, stay in school. Ustai o matua, listen to mum and dad. Ia manuia tele tau mawhainga o nei tau sanga a wā se lumna I lelei. We wish you all the best in school and NCA for this year. And who knows, maybe one day we hope to see you here as future TVNZ staff. Round of applause, please, for Papatoetoe High School.
In the Samoan culture, we have to respond because TVNZ or you have acknowledged us with this gift. And in Samoan culture, it's rude for us to leave without responding because this is a big deal to us. It's such a privilege to be here with these kids, coming all the way out from South Auckland. This bunch of kids this year, I have said to them time and time again, you are the best bunch of kids I've had. They get better and better every year, but I say to them, I've said to them, they work hard in class, they work hard on their performances, and in term 3 this year, we're taking a group of 45 to Samoa as part of a cultural experience. And so just these opportunities, we are so grateful and so thankful. And I just want to hand it to our Associate Principal who's here just to finish off our thank you today. This is Mr. Barry Williams.
Talofa lava everybody, and again thank you to TVNZ for the opportunity to allow our students to show you their exceptional talents. They're a really cool bunch of kids, just like all the kids at our school. So again, thank you very much for the opportunity to let them dance in front of you and with you, many of you. I saw a few at the back there, actually, the legs twitching, trying to move in the opposite direction. So well done to those of you in the front who stood up and had a dance with them. Look, it's a real opportunity for our students from South Auckland, as Timo said, to come up to the Central Auckland and show people that Southside is such a cool place. There are so many cool families associated with the area that just do the very best for their kids. And again, just a little chance for us to showcase ourselves this morning, something that you can see Mr. Marisa never really turns down an opportunity to get his hands on the microphone. So a big thank you to Timo and to his wife Margaret, who have both been at our school a short while now and have transformed in our school the Samoan population, the Samoan community, into what it is today. And we are forever grateful to those people for that work. So really, just again, TVNZ, thank you very much for the opportunity. If you have another opportunity, we'll be more than happy to come and fill that space. So to everybody, manuia le aso. Thank you.